Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, 9:47. Good Monday morning, everybody. Hope you had a great weekend. A wet start to the day out there across a good part of the state. We've already seen one wave of rain move through. It's now moving east. We'll get a closer look at that in a moment. But look what's happening. You see some kind of light blips of green here or there. This is primarily going to be maybe a few sprinkles, maybe a brief, very light shower. You can see a batch of green going out of Fayette County up into western Scott County, back into parts of Franklin County. Same story. Few up in Harrison and northern Nicholas over to Robertson and Fleming, but we go over into eastern Kentucky, and this is where the greatest, at least far east and northeastern parts of the state, is where we have some thunderstorms stretching from Floyd County to Johnson, up through Lawrence and back into Carter County right now. You head up into even Portsmouth, Ohio. So look, this band of rain goes even across the river into southern Ohio. Back to the south and southwest we go. Look what's coming. This is that second wave I've been talking about all morning, going now, the heaviest of it east of Russell Springs and Jamestown, and it's kind of in between there and Somerset, right along that Cumberland Parkway. All right, you're going to run into it. Up into Liberty, up to Lebanon, and points northwest, that rain does continue, even raining still in Wayne County and approaching Whitley City and McCreary County. 70 in Danville right now, kind of spiking the temperatures, maybe a few peaks of sun in between that next wave of rain that's coming north. There it is. You see that little spin there? That's a little wave of energy that's helping to fire up showers and thunderstorms even into the afternoon. Then into tonight, it really starts weakening out and maybe an isolated shower left. So into the afternoon, low mid 70s for highs, rounds of showers and thunderstorms possible today. Warm and muggy, maybe a strong storm, but the severe threat today very low. Into the overnight, we see the rain showers become more isolated, but the evening we'll still have some scattered storms to deal with. Now, the next big thing, starting Tuesday, running through Wednesday, into Thursday actually, even early Thursday, rounds of more storms, but the difference, these have the potential to be severe. What about Tuesday? I think by Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday night is a window, our first window there, for some strong and severe storms. Wednesday afternoon through Wednesday night into Thursday morning, we could get a couple of more waves of strong to severe thunderstorms during that period. And already outlook from the Storm Prediction Center tomorrow, the entire state in a level 2 risk. And I really believe that is greatest for tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. Into the day on Wednesday, a level 3 risk from basically Cincinnati down to Somerset and points west. Elsewhere, still a level 2 risk. This is definitely a time to stay weather aware. Make sure that you have the Fox 56 weather app. If you don't, download it now. You want to get those weather alerts to your phone. Plus, we will be doing live streaming if we have any wall-to-wall severe weather during that period, and you can access it through our app. 80s tomorrow, low to mid 80s Wednesday. Severe threats there. More storms early Thursday. Thursday afternoon, we dry out. And look at this. We drop the temperatures into the 60s for highs on Friday and Saturday. Maybe some scattered showers and storms for Mom's Day.